Hey amigas, welcome back to my channel. Come and clean with me my refrigerator and let's talk about how decluttering your refrigerator can help reduce food waste in your home. I have been challenging myself to set a timer whenever I'm decluttering or doing home chores. I do this not only to get an idea of how much time it will take me to complete the task, but also to motivate myself to just do what I can in those 15 minutes. In my mind, it's only 15 minutes and I can continue if I want, or I can stop exactly at 15 minutes. The goal is to do what you can and not get overwhelmed. That took a total of 10 minutes. I haven't done this in such a long time. It's completely empty. And let's not even open the freezer right now. And I'm gonna close this because now we have to focus on this. Okay, this is a lot. This is a lot. This is a lot. There's no reason why we need to go to the supermarket anytime soon because we have so much food, but I'm pretty sure a lot of it is expired or we have to use it soon. So what I'm gonna start with first is gonna be all of these condiments that I'm 100% sure some of them are expired. I'm gonna throw them away. So a spoiler alert, this took me way longer than 15 minutes, and that's because I needed to go through each one of these containers to check the expiration date, and that took a lot longer than 5 minutes. So all of this I have to throw away. I'm going to empty the bottles and recycle them, and then this is all we have left. There's such a big difference, so much clutter and space being taken by things that are expired, some things that we didn't even use. So definitely keeping that in mind next time I buy something. And let's keep going. Going through this decluttering session with food feels a lot different than decluttering your closet or garage. It personally made me think of how much we're contributing to food waste at home. Can you believe that 40% of food is wasted in the US every year? According to the US Department of Agriculture, food waste happens at different levels, including production, retail, and consumer. In the US alone, 133 billion pounds of food is wasted at the consumer level and retail levels, with the highest percentage being household waste or consumer waste. As consumers, we really have to think about ways on how we can reduce food waste in our homes. Decluttering my fridge is just one step because it actually allowed me to see how I can use all of the produce that was going nearly bad and gave me the idea of making this delicious and simple gluten-free pasta with veggies. I know it's a very small step towards reducing food waste, but awareness is a great first step. I have been improving my storage methods for produce that tend to go bad quickly, like freezing veggies that I'm not planning to use anytime soon, like the peppers that I used in this recipe. This is just the beginning of making my kitchen less wasteful, more sustainable, and also clutter-free. Okay, so this is looking so much better. I'm so happy I made the decision to do this today. I feel like a weight has been lifted off my shoulders. And yeah, now we can see we have space. Before we go to the market, we can see what we need. I know exactly what we need now because there's not like an excess of things. Another thing I wanted to show you, I did not touch our freezer, but this is gonna be another day, another project. But I want to show you, if you eat meats, even you can do this with veggies too. I did it with our peppers, as you saw in a previous clip. I pre-season our meats as much as I can. But I purchase the Ziploc bags. I ration like the meats of like the amount that I want to cook each time, and then I pre-season. I think these are like, this is chicken, this is turkey, already like seasoned, and I make my own sofrito, but like I'm avoiding anything with artificial flavors. I use cilantro. Okay, I'm just gonna put the list of things here because I cannot think right now. But yeah, this is like really good for seasoning all of the meats that I have and veggies. And even that gluten-free pasta with like the veggies, I put some of this on it, and the stir fry as well, because it's just so good. It's so good. And I'm not even using like artificial adobo or anything. It's just like really good flavors. I love this stuff. I can even make guac with this. Just smash some avocado and put some of this on it, and it's super delicious and good for you. And I store it in these containers. Again, I pre-season my meats. I thought them out either one day before or the day off before I'm gonna cook them, and it saves me time. And yeah, I feel like we still have enough food to not go to the market yet. Most likely next week we will need to for a few things, but cleaning out the refrigerator is helping me see how much we have, the things that we should use soon because they're expiring soon, or we just know overall what we have now, and that's great and liberating. And one less thing to do, and something else crossed off my list, which is deep cleaning my refrigerator. Yay me. Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy this, and I hope to see you in my next video. I hope you enjoy this video. Also, if you want to connect on my other social media, I try to be more active on Instagram, so hit me up there and let me know what you think of this video in the comments. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know the next time I post the next video. Ciao.